In the previous episode, we have shared the preparation of crispy, crunchy, and tasty onion pakoras. In this episode, it is time to share the most loved beverage and also an apt beverage for the onion pakoras. Therefore, here we have a Kadak Masala tea, which is not just tasty but also renders a great deal of warmth to our hearts. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in the preparation of masala tea is to prepare a Kadak spice blend. So here we have taken 5 cardamoms, a small piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves. Let us blend these spices with the help of a pestle and a mortar. Once we have a rough blend of all these spices, let us transfer this into a heavy bottomed saucepan. The next ingredient in the list is 5 grams of chopped ginger, and it is time to smash these slightly as well. Once we have roughly smashed the ginger, let us transfer it to the saucepan, and then it is time to add 200 ml of water to the saucepan. All we need to do now is to place the saucepan on a stove top and boil these ingredients for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mixture has come to a boil and all the ingredients have cooked perfectly. And it is now time to add our main ingredient, and that is 4 teaspoons of plain tea powder. After adding the tea powder, we have to cook the tea powder for about 3 minutes. The added tea powder has cooked perfectly as well. So now it is time to add 250 ml of milk to the mixture and boil it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of adding the milk has come to a boil, and also it is time to add our next and final ingredient, and that is 2 teaspoons of sugar. It takes about 1 minute for sugar to get along with the mixture. And by the way, it takes exactly 11 minutes to prepare our tasty and Kadak tea. And all we need to do now is to strain the mixture into a serving jar. Having said that, our tasty, hot Kadak tea is ready. If you liked this episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share the video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.